Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. Today we are going to do Spoken English practice number 36. You have completed Spoken English practice 35 from 1 till 35, and today we are going to do Spoken English practice number 36. Why I am doing this, why I am making this video, and why we are doing this methodology, because a lot of people, hundreds of people, thousands of people ask that we are not getting a person to do our spoken English practice. Although we have a good command on our vocabulary, we have a good command on grammatical rules, but we are very hesitant, we are very reluctant, we don't have a confidence to speak, and we are not getting a person to practice our spoken English because nobody is there to ask us questions. So in this video what we are doing, we are asking questions and giving you opportunity that you can speak English, you can give answers, so your fluency will improve, your confidence will improve, your hesitation will remove. So now topic is very good today, and the topic is motivation. Every person need motivation. What is the motivation, why we need motivation, what motivation can do for us, what is the difference between motivation and inspiration? A lot of things are there, but now we are going to start our practice, and you know the methodology that I will ask question and you will give the answer. Now we are going to ask question number 1. What is motivation? Question number 2. Who motivate you? Is there any person who encourage you, who motivate you, or you motivate people, you encourage people? Motivation mean that you have energy, or you are already encouraged, you are a self-starter, you want to do something, you are a positive thinker, and you always think positive, and you take positive action to achieve your goals, to achieve your dreams, to fulfill your desires. So motivation mean you have energy, passion, determination, consistency to do something in your life, whatever you want or what are your desires. Is it important to motivate youth? Very important, and you can give your answer. Can some people destroy your motivation level? What is something parents can do to motivate their children to study more? Why students are not taking interest in their study? Because mostly it has been observed that there is a pressure on student to study, and we are not telling them what they will get after study if they are securing good grades, good percentage, if they have a good command on their subject. So there are very good opportunities available for their future. So we need to tell them the benefits. Instead of pressurizing student to study, we will tell them benefits and the importance. Automatically they will be focusing on their study. Okay, what are 3 things that motivate you? Do you feel motivated when you speak good English, or do you feel motivated when you talk or listen some English speakers? Do you think that motivated people are more successful as compared to demotivated people? How do you maintain your motivation when you fail? Very important. Just for 1 minute think about that. For example, if you are playing carom board or cricket match or football match or basketball match or any like sports with your friends, and you are getting defeated by yourself, or you are getting fail, your friends are winning and you are losing the game, how you feel? Even you are not losing anything, not money, nothing. This is a sportsman spirit. If you are a motivated people, you will encourage yourself and you will think that where I did mistake, where I committed mistake, therefore I lost this match. So next time you will think about that, you will take action, and you will be more motivated to perform better, to win. So that is very important. Who is the most important person in your life? Is competition is a good thing? What do you think? Competition is good or bad? Actually, competition always encourage people to do more, to do more, to do more, to do excellent, to do extraordinary. So I think competition is good. Like, for example, if you are any sports person, so competition, if you're thinking you are like competitor is doing like 4 hour practice, maybe you will do 5 or 6 hour practice in your sports. And if you want to, if you're a student and you want to achieve good grades, and you're in your class other people are performing very good, so you will consider it motivation, and you will consider it competition, and you will motivate yourself to study more and more and more. So my personal opinion is that competition is good, because competition always encourage you to do more work, to do hard work, to do extra work, to do extraordinary things. So therefore, so this was our spoken English practice number 36, and thank you very much. So we will come again with our spoken English practice number 37. Goodbye.